guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm doing my facial at home. It's a simple way of facial you can also try in your home by yourself, and the thing is I never did a facial at salon still now. I do facial like this, or in previous days I do a home remedy facial. You all know what is home remedy facials, like curd, turmeric and honey, like this. This is how I do my facial previously, but if I'm having some mood to do a proper facial, then I do like this way only. I'm gonna show you a step by step what I'm doing for face and what are the products I'm using for facial on my face. This facial I do once in a month. It's not like a weekly facial or fortnight facial, not like that. I do once in a month. It depends on my mood. So yeah, let's begin the video. Let's start. Before that, gonna change my t-shirt and tying my hair, wearing this hairband to avoid tiny hair in my face. First, I'm gonna cleanse my face with this Cetaphil cleanser. Before that, spitting some water on my face. It's a gentle cleanser. It's for all skin type. It won't dry your skin and it keeps your moisture. And also to remove my makeup, I'll use this cleanser only. And I'm taking this cleanser to neckline also. It removes dirt from the shrink area. Just wash your face after this cleanser. And second step is scrubbing. And here I'm using this Plum's Brighten Up Tan Scrub. Yeah, I know I took bit more product. It's okay. Applying all over the face and neck. And do gentle scrubbing on nose and around your mouth, and do scrub in your neckline too. And this is the microfiber cloth to remove these scrubs. It's from Miniso. Wet this cloth in water and remove all these scrubs from your face. And at last wash your face with water. See, in neck shrink line, it reduced the pigmentations and the dirt. Now third step is face pack. Here I am using M Caffeine Coffee Face Mask. This is for normal to oily skin. It gives a superb coffee fragrance. This mask remove your tan too. Let's apply this with spatula. And the applicator which I am using is the all-in-one applicator, and this is also from Miniso. This is silicone spatula, so it won't hurt your skin. Here I am using this product is the second packaging. I have already reviewed about this product on my shorts. I'll give it in a card, you can check it out from there. Leave it for 10 minutes. After this, just massage with the silicone applicator and remove all this excess mask from your face. And wash your face with water. And for nose, I'm going to paste this nose strips. Actually, I don't have much white and black heads on my nose, but still I just want to use this strip. And leave it for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to remove my facial hair. I usually remove mustache and eyebrows only, but sometimes, like once in 3 months, I like to remove my facial hair, full facial hair. For makeup application, this can give you a beautiful finishing. Now time to remove this nose strips. Now I'm keeping this chilled tool on eyes and upper lips to calm my skin. It feels so relaxing, and right now my skin is skinning. Applied moisturizer and Vaseline strawberry lip balm on lips. That's it for skincare. You can see my skin. It feels so good and healthy. The glow is natural. And yeah, this is my facial routine at home. Hope you like it. Let's meet you on next useful video. Bye bye. See you soon.